Carla Nell, as the President and CEO of the Burlington Chamber of Commerce, I know you've played a huge role in the Team Burlington initiative. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, thanks so much, Jessica. The Team Burlington initiative has been championed in order to bring business leaders from across our community together to support the business community during this incredibly difficult time. Burlington Economic Development, the Burlington Chamber, the two area business improvement areas, as well as Tourism Burlington, are working very closely together at this time with a view to uniting and providing one-stop shop resources for all businesses across the city and beyond. So to support businesses during this incredibly difficult time, and recognizing that there's a lot of information flowing, lots of questions, we've created a one-stop shop website at the Burlington Chamber's website. It's a Team Burlington landing page, and timely and relevant information is being updated to that in real time as we receive information and insights from key partners and different levels of government that we're working with right now.
And what initiatives have been taken by the various levels of government that are helping our local businesses right now?
Well, I can tell you that all three levels of government, municipal, provincial, and federal, are looking very closely at ways that they can support businesses during this time. The city is currently contemplating relief on property tax payments for both residents as well as businesses, recognizing that it's not just employers but employees that are really struggling during this period of crisis. So the city will be looking to waive interest and penalty that might otherwise accrue on payments that might be missed. Yesterday, the provincial government revealed a significant emergency response plan via their spring economic statement that includes a broad range of tools and mechanisms to help defer payments for businesses from provincially administered property taxes or other taxes that the province is responsible for, as well as workplace safety and insurance benefits premiums. So there are a number of ways that the government is looking to delay payments that would otherwise be due in order to provide some relief from hardship to businesses during this time. They've reduced employer health tax premiums, and they've also decided to postpone the 2020 assessment update so that property owners are not going to be receiving an assessment notice that would be used for property tax purposes based on a different set of values that are currently in place. And in addition, there were a potpourri of other announcements that are targeting families as well as low-income seniors and other vulnerable groups, all with a view to trying to ensure that there is more money in the pockets of Ontarians at this time. And then finally, the federal government yesterday announced a very significant change to relief. There is a new Canada Emergency Relief Benefit Plan that has been unveiled that is intended to provide anyone who has a loss of income or employment arising from the COVID-19 crisis with relief and access to funds up to $2,000 a month for a 4-month period. So again, each level of government is responding to the concerns, the financial crisis that we're all experiencing, and I believe showing great leadership and doing their utmost to try to help ease some of the panic and the anxiety that we're all experiencing during this period of crisis.
And speaking to that, even with these relief measures, of course, there is still considerable financial concerns. Do you have a message to our local business community about that and what they should do going forward?
Well, to our local business community, I would encourage them to take advantage of all of the support that Team Burlington is currently offering. Please visit our website. Again, significant resources that have been organized to assist you and to answer questions. And we also have people standing by to respond to questions and inquiries if people would like to call in. Please stay strong. I can't say that enough. We really are all in this together, and the community is rallying to try to respond to the business community's concerns. And we're here to support you. And then beyond that, I would encourage anyone in the community right now that has to, purchase essential goods or services to really think about shopping locally to the extent that they can. Take advantage of e-commerce opportunities, buy gift cards for future purposes, take advantage of any services where delivery is an option, takeaway, among other things. The Burlington business community really needs our support now more than ever.
Well, that's a great message to end on, because we all are in this together and we can all help support each other. So thank you so much for your time today, and we hope to have you on again soon.
Thanks, Jessica.